Alright guys, so I found a couple of these on I was looking on printables. I thought, okay, these look kind of cool. Let me see if I can back out. They're tea lights. I wouldn't put a real candle in it, you know. But anyway, yeah, I thought they were kind of cool. Just something to, you know, like I haven't had any reason to print anything. I don't need anything, and I've got a lot of PLA that was, you know, it's not suitable for things that I normally want to print. So it's good for decorative. Anyway, I went to slice this thing, and it was 4 hours. Okay, so this is for the Neptune 4, but this printer here, even at 15% infill, it's 4 hours. It's nuts. 4 hours and 36 minutes. This is why I quit using old printers, no matter how good they were. So, I never should have bought this thing at $189. I paid a lot more for these ones, but this one here, I'm going to have to come in and slow the damn thing down. Oh, Lord. It's doing its usual crap. It slices the file so damn fast. Look at that. Oh, man. And it won't work either. You can hear it. I just slowed it down to 88%. They're still really fast. Come on. 78. It's just too fast. There's some other issue with these. Like they can't print that fast. Even at 58%. This thing is slinging around like you wouldn't believe. 72 millimeters a second, 145 millimeters a second. So, one of the problems with this one and this one is they set the acceleration really, really high. And I've never found that it works for me. When you hear it going click, it's like, it's also it's doing some kind of stupid grid fill in, which always seems to be nothing but trouble. And I've got the part cooling fan, the big one, off, so I really don't want this printing super fast either. I've always hated this cubic infill. I mean, this thing's still flying like crazy. With the cubic infill, or just the cubic and diamond and triangle, I don't know, they just all seem to like click and clack and just like all kinds of nastiness. I just couldn't see it as well before. Now this one, they have a little bit smarter idea. They've kind of cleared away for you to like almost kind of see what's going on when it's printing. But anyway, I should have never ever bought that other printer, really, because I can't find anybody that'll buy it. Nobody will buy it. They're probably still selling them on Amazon too. I mean, it's better than buying the Ender 3, trust me, but you know, try and convince somebody that. I had a guy come over here and buy a couple of my Ender 3s. Well, two different people. And I don't think they would have wanted it. They want the Creality Ender 3 because it's the Creality Ender 3. So, anyway. Alright, I just figured out something too. I accidentally set the resolution as fast. 0.2 millimeter. See some weird settings. 0.2, 0.1 for fine, 0.15 for normal, and then extra fast, 0.3. So I don't know if it's capable. How does it do that? Because the nozzle is the nozzle. It's a 0.4, I guess, right? And yeah, so you see 0.40 millimeter. I don't know. I can't remember. There's an idea that they had where they explain that even though you have 0.4, it's half of that because of something, I don't know. Or double it. I can't remember. But anyway. A bigger nozzle will print faster, but it will look rougher. So I don't know if they're just turning down the flow rate. But anyway, that's what it's set to, which was I had to turn down the speed 50%. It doesn't show me the rest of the stuff, so I've got to go in here and do that. And then I'm going to look at the speed. 250 millimeters a second. Now, underneath the travel, there might be acceleration. So to find out what the you gotta go expert. And when you click expert, it'll show you everything. The infill speed, the outer wall speed. So you just click expert, you click on this tag here. But most of you guys already know that. So the first layer is supposed to be a certain speed. I don't know, I don't see it over here. Initial layer, 60 millimeters. That looked awfully fast for 60 millimeters. Initial layer travel speed, 120 millimeters a second. Yeah, it was definitely traveling fast. And so I think I would probably change this to 60. Yeah, the acceleration is 10,000. Other people have said this is too much. Even the Aurora Tech little girl who does the printer reviews, I'm pretty sure she's under 18. Looks like a teenager. Anyway, even she said too fast when I watched the review they did on it. So I usually set it at 4,000, but maybe even that might be ambitious. So once we go and save all that, we slice again. You need to move this. It really doesn't increase our time much. 1 hour and 20 minutes instead of like 1 hour and 1 minute. But it's going to increase our chances of a successful print. So anyway, there's 4 of these. I'm going to print all 4 of them. And I'll let you guys know how they turn out.